Hi, welcome to Sri Sai Subha Music Academy. Happy Krishnastami to all. Today we are singing Krishnam Vishnum Sridharam. कृष्णं विष्णुं श्रीधरं यादवं मधुसूदनं कृष्णं विष्णुं श्रीधरं माधवं मधुसूदनं गोविन्दं 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 श्रीरामं गोविन्दं 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 श्रीरामं रामं रामं रघुपते रामं रामं रघुपते कृष्णं विष्णुं श्रीधरं माधवं मधुसूदनं कृष्णं विष्णुं श्रीधरं माधवं मधुसूदनं माधवं मधुसूदनं माधवं मधुसूदनम्. Thank you. Please subscribe.